So today's video is me unboxing my iPhone XS Max. So I do want to say, disclaimer, I did buy this phone with my own money and I really do like the phone. Let me know down below if you guys want a what's on my iPhone video. I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, so I didn't really talk that much in this video because I was so excited and I just kept like opening it and like making weird noises. So I do apologize about that, but you guys would still want to see this video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, so this is the iPhone XS Max. Got the one in 64 gigabytes because, yeah. By the way, I bought this with my own money, so let's just open it. I'm so excited. So satisfying. Look at this. Is to be able to see. The whole hello thing, the Apple stickers, the little thing that takes the SIM card out, directions, all that jazz that I'm gonna need in a minute. I'm gonna put that over there. Oh my god. Okay. I'm so excited. I can't believe it's in my hand. Where's my other phone? Okay. So, can we just do this? This is this iPhone 6 and this is the Max. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. Okay. Let's put this to the side. Obviously it comes with the little thingy, little cube. I kind of want to keep the plastic on because I like that it's like matte, but I'm going to take it off. And then it comes with the ear headphones that I'm really excited about because I had a 6 before this, so I had the headphone jack and now I don't, and I'm kind of excited about that. It's kind of weird, but whatever. I'm not going to open them. I was going to open them, but I don't think I'm going to right now. And then, obviously, just the lightning bolt cable. Alright. I'm not going to take the plastic off of this because I don't have a case yet, so I don't want to, like, drop it and break it. So, yeah. But it's turning on, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, well, there's my opening for you guys. I'm gonna finish opening it and setting it all up at my boyfriend's house, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!